useless without facts.
So what in by which proof you can say that it was produced like in like
The
Wuhan, it
delegate
was
of
like
United
originated
Kingdom would
from?
like to put forward the first case of coronavirus was discovered on December 10th, 2019 in Wuhan by an old lady, which she went to a doctor, where the doctor tried to spread the awareness, but was stopped by the authorities,
On
as
what facts you are speaking this all that if we stop the doctor, we suspended that
And
this
on
all?
what facts
the
are you
delegate the
speaking
delegate
that
has
it
not
was
said
originated in
anyone
US?
has suspended the doctor. The delegate has
Like
said the doctor was
from which proof?
stopped from spreading this information due to lack of evidence and research. Later in June 7th, after the research was done, this was brought forward to President Xi, the president of China, in which he did address the people and the authorities to take care of this outbreak, but he also, due to lack of research, was not sure of the outbreak, and thus could not take appropriate actions to curb or stop the spread
What
of
are
this
you
virus.
trying to say?
The
I'm
delegate of
trying to say,
Vietnam would like to second the delegate of United Kingdom.
the
Uh,
delegate
I
of
wish
United
to say, the delegate of Russia would like to say that if itself the corona happened in the world first time, even if in China, then obviously it will take some time to research. And you are yourself saying that president addressed and said to the gathering that yes, it will take time. Then what's
the
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 point?
question
delegate
here is
the
about
delegate the
China.
delegate
The question is not about the time. The question is
The question
about
is about
is China
the
accepting that it
delegate of
originated
United
in
Kingdom
Wuhan?
would like to state that
Just
the
say,
delegate.
Just a
assume a
minute, delegates.
hypothetical
Just a
situation.
minute,
If
delegates. Just a minute, delegates. Delegate of Chile, you requested to switch on your video, please. Yes, you may continue.
Okay, the delegate of United Kingdom would
as
like to state that he is just the delegate of United Kingdom is just wanting to state the facts right, that this
okay,
happened
so
here,
just
and the
imagine an
delegate is not
hypothetical
ready to accept.
just imagine an hypothetical situation. Suppose
Why are we going
this
hypothetically when I
this
have
corona
facts?
rise
Delegate
Do
of
not
India.
China,
understand.
can we talk
There
Doesn't
is
about
no
make
fact
sense.
facts
that
and not
there
go
is no fact that
hypothetical?
corona was like produced from China. I am like
Said the
assume
delegate of United
assume for a
Kingdom said
second
Delegate,
like
produced. I said the
Arey,
virus
you
delegate of
said
originated.
produce.
China,
I did
You
not
said
accuse
produce.
China of
You
delegate of
said
spreading the
China,
produce.
virus.
You said
delegate of
produce.
China must understand that it was originated in
If
China. Is the
if
delegate not
Well
accepting the
said,
fact it was
delegate of
originated
United
in
Kingdom.
China?
he said previously
Chap,
produced, not like originated. If suppose it was originated from
the delegate
China,
would
so
like
you
to the
cannot
delegate
blame
would
China
like
for
to
all the
ask the
pandemic.
delegate of China, where did
The
the
delegate is
delegate
accepting
of
from his own
UK
words.
said the word produce? I never use the word produce,
You used the word produce previously when you said.
right? Did the delegate of UK use the word produce?
No,
No,
delegate.
no.
Then
No,
why is the
and
delegate
at
of China
that time, China
speaking
accepted
false
that it
facts?
was originated, and now
Yes,
he is just
please.
shifting from his own words.
Okay, yeah,
He
the
should.
delegate of China has the delegate of United Kingdom feels that the delegate of China is falsely accusing the delegate of United Kingdom and is himself not relying on his words and is talking on hypothetical
Granted, granted,
situation.
delegate of United Kingdom, granted, granted. That is an order. Delegate of China, you henceforth need to take care of the thing.
Okay, the delegate
Right.
of United Kingdom would like to further say to the delegate of China, why did Trump make such a step in taking forward the tariffs? There was a 67, not even 50, above half the economic deficit, 67% deficit of the import and export deficit. So 67%, China was getting 67% profit compared to what
But your
United
export,
States of
your
America
export,
was.
your
United
why
States of
are you like
America was
supporting? Are you
getting
representing
the
United States of
United
America primarily? Secondly, why? Secondly,
the delegate of United
USA
Kingdom
export
would
to
like to
China
ask
grew
the delegate of China to
Delegate
500%
of
repeat. He did
China,
not hear
last
the
decade. In last decade,
The delegate of
in
China,
last decade,
the
USA
United,
export to China grew 500%, while the average was 90%.
And
the
now,
delegate
I
of United Kingdom
United
would
Kingdom
like
is like,
delegate of China
I
to
like to
speak in
question
a manner
United Kingdom.
everyone understands,
I
not
like to
babbles.
question I like to question United Kingdom. New Zealand,
Yes.
in New Zealand, cases were well executed, like well execution was there, coronavirus, social distancing. In UK, there was very bad and mismanagement of execution.
The delegate of
If
United
the
Kingdom would like
coronavirus,
the delegate of
if the lockdown
China
was
to the
previous by
delegate of
7 days,
United Kingdom.
20,000
knows
lives
that
could
the
have been
coronavirus
saved.
pandemic is being
20,000
The
lives could
delegate,
have
the
been
del-
saved.
so we should be
okay,
prepared.
the
If
delegate of China, the
a
delegate of
research
United
study,
Kingdom.
a research say that if the UK exposed the lockdown 7 days earlier, than 20,000 coronavirus like patients could be like minimized of mostly age 70.
The
Why
delegate
did
of
you like
United Kingdom would
if
the delegate
Well
of
said,
if you
delegate of
if
China.
you control
the delegate of United.
if you like equalize the situation from New Zealand, which is like a dominion state, then why this? But there is like a lot like different like in the terms of execution in UK and New Zealand. What will you stand on that statement?
The
Why
delegate
why
of
in New
United.
Zealand there is execution such a nice scale, and UK there is no kind of execution?
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to ask the delegate of China if the coronavirus was a cause of mass hysteria and false information. Would the delegate of China ensure that the economy and lives and the
Sorry,
poverty
I'm
level
not
of
getting.
United Kingdom would remain the
It's not
same?
audible.
Your
Am
voice
I
is
the only
cracking.
one?
Please, can you repeat?
The
Just a minute,
delegate.
delegates. Russian Federation, there are some technical glitches with you only. The delegate of United Kingdom is audible to others. You may continue, delegates.
Okay, the delegate of United Kingdom would like to applaud the government's choice of further researching and ensuring that the correct steps are taken. The delegate of United Kingdom would further like to question the delegate of China. Would he ensure that the if the coronavirus was a case of mass hysteria and would was a case of mass hysteria, would the delegate of China ensure the economy of the of United Kingdom and the conditions would remain the same?
I
Why the
didn't
whole world
understand
is
your
blaming China for the
President of
coronavirus?
United States of America will like to ask People's Republic of China
I'll ask.
that
I'll want.
keep the coronavirus aside, and if we talk
Why? How could we
not
keep the
the pandemic,
coronavirus
but
aside? How could
why
we
not the
keep
pandemic
Okay,
because of
either?
this kind
the
of
delegate of
thinking?
China,
If you
the
can't,
delegate of
why the whole world is
This was
China
a
blaming
weird
also
China?
started
pandemic.
the delegate of China,
and the border issues. In the meanwhile, were you enough satisfied with the ongoing pandemic that you wanted to originate other new
How
problems?
could you blame like
So,
China
now
unilaterally
you
for
say
the
that
border
you
issue?
did not impose any trade traffics, or you did not continue any border.
Delegate of India, do you have something to say on this border issue going on? Come on. It's your turn
How
now.
could you like?
why couldn't the delegate of
The
USA accuse the
delegate of China
of
just
the
told
border
how
issue?
can we keep coronavirus aside. Then how has China kept coronavirus aside and started the border issue?
Because of our execution, we have.
Well said, delegate of Vietnam. Well said.
The delegate just mentioned how can we keep coronavirus aside. Then how has China kept coronavirus aside and started the border issue? I want a clear
You
answer.
said
for
that China started the border issue. Do you have some facts? Do you have some facts, or you are like just saying on the basis of the media?
Okay, then
China uses coronavirus to
Did
lecture
the,
the whole
did
world.
the soldiers
You-
of China not invade
can the delegate of China give us a proper
into
fact?
Ladakh?
They want
Can-
Indian
The
soldiers to
whole
reply.
union
First,
is not
we
Can
did
the
audible.
delegate of
trade
China
war
Speak
give
one
us
by one.
and then with India.
Can the delegate of China then give us a proper report of proof China has not started the issue?
Can
The
please
delegate-
can Vietnam can give us a proof that they have not started this issue?
China is
Why we are have to
All
like
right,
take
all
this?
right, delegates. Just a minute. A negotiation here. Then both the delegates. A negotiation here. The delegate of Vietnam as well as the delegate of China are supposed to submit these reports before tomorrow's session. to the EB members, mail it to us, right? You need to have authentic sources. Do mention the sources. Delegate of Vietnam will submit the report on China started this border issue, and China will submit the report on China did not start it. All right? We are discussing here the Indian issue, right?
Yes.
All right.
Where is the
Mr.
delegate of India?
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to ask whether the soldiers or troops did not invade into the Ladakh region.
Galwan Valley, to be more precise.
Was the delegate of United Kingdom inaudible?
Delegate of India, you must have something to say on this, please. You are being accused openly, your country is being accused openly that you started up the border issue. Your silence shows that you think the same. Delegates, you may continue. You may continue, delegates.
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to ask the delegate of China whether the troops of China did or did not enter Ladakh region, infiltrate Ladakh region.
Ladakh region, which region? Ladakh is very big. There is like line of like with the
Galwan.
beyond like
The delegate of United Kingdom is sorry. He does not have
There
track
is like
of every step taken
during
by
the
the
lake.
soldiers.
There is a
The
lake.
delegate
Like
of
there is
United
no
Kingdom
man's
has
land.
more important job than finding the locations of the troops. That
So if you
the
can't like
Chinese
justify where you are talking about, I'll like question everywhere. You should
How big is
justify on
Ladakh?
which part
The-
you
the-
are like accusing of us.
Delegate of Vietnam will make it clear.
Research.
It is on the banks of Pangong Lake in Ladakh. Now, can the delegate make sure
That is not region. That is the whole lake.
There are
80% is
the
of
delegate of
80%
China.
is
There
of
are
Galwan
many
land of
lakes.
India and
Is
I
the-
want to know
You
which
need
lake.
to mark
the
Then
delegate
the
going
lake
to ask
is of-
latitude and longitude right now? Is
The
the delegate
delegate-
going to ask us the latitude and longitude of the issue?
Continue, delegates. That's interesting.
The delegate. Okay. The delegate of China is not accepting, or the delegate of United Kingdom does not understand why is he not stating why he knows the delegate of China knows
Can
that
you
the-
repeat?
that the-
There was a
that the
technical
country-
error.
Oh, sorry.
Just a minute, delegates. I really apologize for this. All those delegates who do not switch on their videos within a minute will be suspended from the committee for the day. Kindly switch on the video. The IP members need to record it. Switch on the videos as soon as possible. All right. You may continue, delegate of China.
The
Yeah, delegate of United States would like to ask delegate of China that
Delegates, just a
34
second.
degrees
Let
25
the delegate of China
North
respond.
and
You are
70.
not audible. Your
I
voice is
would like
cracking.
to ask you that 34.75 degree to the north and 78.17 degree to the east, did your troops and soldiers did not invade?
Excellent, delegate of USA. Excellent.
Hello.
Delegate of China, now can we have the answer? We have given you the latitude and longitude. Now, if you
I'll-
still say the
I'll rejoin in another device.
The team. Give him some time to listen to the question. He wasn't there. Can you please repeat the question, Delegate of America?
Yeah, sure. Has he joined again?
Delegate of China, is she audible?
No, he
Some
isn't
kind
here.
of technical error is going.
He isn't here right now. So kindly wait for him. Delegate of China, we will give you time to respond. Kindly respond, and you all are going in a really good direction now. That's how we need to go. Till then, can we have a response from Delegate of India, please?
I'm sorry
On the
to
infiltration
interfere
part.
in between. I'm sorry
Yeah,
to
Delegate
interfere in
Kashyap,
between,
What can do, guys?
but in a news of BBC, there's clearly written that neither India nor China has commented on this ongoing war. So how can we say that the China has started the war or the India has started the border
The
issues?
delegate of United Kingdom would like to address to the delegate of Russian Federation that there is no delegate who referred or might have referred the starting of a war. There was only a question based on why is China, to the delegate of China, why are China troops invading the land and having and wanting to create border disputes.
Excellent, Delegate of United Kingdom. You were cogent in saying that. Delegate of Russian Federation, your answer, please.
Hello.
So I'll say that okay, China has able to combat with the coronavirus issues. I mean, the cases are continuously decreasing compared to other countries except Vietnam, definitely, or New Zealand. But then it may do whatever it wants to do with whether it is border issues or
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to ask why is the delegate of Russia in this organization if it wants to help China or might help China to do whatever it wants, including taking regions of another country. Isn't that invasion?
Well said, well said, well said.
I would like to ask the delegate of Russian Federation, is taking away peace of other countries valid? Did you say now China may do anything? It has conquered the coronavirus.
no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Apologies
Delegates,
accepted
first
for
of
the
all,
words. Like,
delegates, just a minute. Please mention your country's name. We would not be telling that for all of the sessions we have now. Mention your country's name first and then your own name. That's not done. That's an ROP of the virtual MSMUN. And in case you do not follow that, we'll be generous enough to take away your marks.
Delegate of Russia.
one second.
In a minute, we'll resume the debate. Kindly do the needful as soon as possible.
Okay, so yeah, I stated the wrong word that it can do whatever it wants. I mean to say that it has, which is the agenda of our committee.
Delegate of China. Delegate of China, can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am. There was a technical error. For like
All right. Delegate of China, would you mind switching on your video and giving us your response, please? She mentioned the latitude and longitude of your probably the infiltration issue. What's your response in that?
like 80% of that lake is under the China's control and 20% is under the India control. 10% is like undisputed. Whole like Indian army comes and China army like more market. But like there was a clash, so no country could be blamed. Like if you are directly claiming China, like there was a rough clash, not like strategic planning, like US stated.
We did not blame any country. We just asked that did the Chinese troop enter the Galwan Valley or not?
Well said, Delegate of United States of America. That was laconic. Your responses, please, everybody. Continue the debate. Do not stop in between. At least 2 people at a time. Please continue. We are short of time.
China had asked proof regarding the doctor. Here's the proof. In BBC News, there's a thing. Another doctor at Wuhan Central Hospital, Dr. Li Wenlang, sends a message to fellow doctors in a chat group warning them about the outbreak and advising they wear protective clothing to avoid infection. Dr. Li is later summoned to the Public Security Bureau and accused of making false comments that had severely disturbed the social order. What does the delegate of China have to tell about this?
Agreed, Delegate. Would you mind sending the link to the executive board, please?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you please repeat the question?
Okay.
Delegate.
Dr. Li Wenlang, a doctor at Wuhan Central Hospital, warned his fellow doctors about the infection, but he was later summoned to the Public Security Bureau and accused of making false comments that had severely disturbed the social order. What does the delegate of China have to tell about this?
What is your source?
BBC News.
Can you please?
I can send the link in the chat.
Yeah, please do that. Delegate of China, do you question the authenticity of BBC too?
Not really like that.
Not really.
We only trust
Delegate
our
of
media.
China.
Because
Delegate of China.
every nation like media is been influenced by the United States media.
Media covers everything.
Democratic
You are
media.
national news and it is. Do you?
Delegate
are
of
you trying to
China.
tell BBC is
Yes.
false?
Delegate of India, can we have a response, please?
Yes, delegate of China. Can you repeat that dispute 80% and 20% between Galvan Valley 2010?
Lake that
Excellent
is.
What
point.
were you saying? Can you repeat
Excellent
that?
point.
Yes. Like 80% is like officially of China and 20% is of like India. And there is
So you
between
want to
some
come.
kind of like tax.
So you want to conquer 20% too. You want everything.
Excellent.
Who said? You are just all making this up.
Can I show the satellite images? Can I send you?
Yeah.
Wait a
Okay,
second.
delegate of China, the source is being sent in the chat. Now I would like to get the answer for the question I had raised.
Let me see that.
Right. Everybody is requested to please see the source. We'll have a consensus then. Agreed, delegate of Vietnam, you were right. The sources are authentic.
Okay,
Delegate of China, how do you respond to it?
Delegate of China had mentioned that they have not done anything wrong regarding the doctor's issue. If this is not wrong, I don't know what China considers wrong.
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to ask China regarding the fact that China has seized a port in Sri Lanka.
It is not seized.
Then
They
The
were in debt.
delegate of Russian Federation would like to ask US that
You know,
it is
we
not
are
only the
in
first time that it is adopting only protectionist policies.
we are like funding the developing like countries which economies no one is like asking like Pakistan.
Fair person, I haven't.
the,
The
the, the,
delegate
dele-
It is a
the
win-win
delegates of
situation,
United
not a
Give an
bilateral. They
answer
agreed,
from the delegate
and
of
that is
China.
lease. That is on
Dele-
lease, not captured.
Delegate of China, you can check
The
the
del-
link in the chat.
I would like everyone to note the hypocrisy of China, that one day it says that we have no soldiers coming in the Galwan Valley, and second day it organizes a function, or you say
Continue, delegate, continue.
or you can say that a function to give pride and give pride to its soldiers who got married.
Delegates to know that we have 9 minutes left approximately. Wind it up in 5 minutes and we'll let you know about tomorrow in the other 4 minutes.
Delegate of China, please do answer
Delegate of
the
China,
question.
Delegate of China,
Yeah.
can I know the delegate? Can I know that after all the virus spread and after getting alligated, do you want world to ignore the virus spread and focus on the border conflicts with India?
No.
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to ask delegate of China that on what basis did he give the countries such as Iran, Sri Lanka, Pakistan a loan? Or was it just to help them, or was it to gain territorial dominance? As not only in Sri Lanka,
There is a $1
they have
trillion
used the port
BRI
not only.
program.
Can the delegate of United Kingdom complete his question? The delegate of United Kingdom would like to ask, was it not the intention of China to take a 99-year lease on the port of Sri Lanka, then to establish dominance on the port of Pakistan too, where there is trade to Middle East, mainly on oil and other commodities like spices. Further, it has established a deal, further a dominant trade deal with the port in Africa, which has strategical prominence due to the positioning of US military base there. Would the delegate of China like the delegate of US UK to
Can you repeat the question?
Delegate of United Kingdom, you are humbly requested to keep your questions short and sweet, to the point, crisp question, please.
Previously you were like asking that no countries are like superpower. European Union are like likely to invest in the countries like Pakistan, whose rank is 144. How would you accept them to grow? Their GDP is like, we are the countries which are
Delegate
willing
of
to
China, I have not got my answer.
Delegate of
Delegate of
United
China.
Kingdom would,
Lanka,
the
which
delegate
has
of
civil war
United
and all.
Kingdom would
We want that all
Delegate
the
of China.
all the small nation to grow, not like you just maintaining their monarchical form and like sitting
the
in their fort.
delegate
We
of
want every country
United
to grow.
Kingdom, the delegate
Delegate, right?
Developing
Right.
infrastructure is a win-win situation, not like that. And that the port is on the lease. It is not like we captured it. If a road is developed in some country, then its state will be like infrastructure is the first requirement for MNC and all. Their
And
economy
what does
will
You are
the
talking
delegate of
about
what does the
United
delegate of
Kingdom would
China have
you are
to tell
stating.
about capturing islands
the
in the
delegate
South
of
China Sea which
it
belong
is
to the
not
Vietnam?
capturing. It is like buying, not
Delegates, discarded. Discarded. Can we return back to the agenda, please? The border dispute, in case India and China need to talk about it, just mail it to the delegate via EB. We'll mark you upon that. Please come up on the agenda now. There's enough of the border issue we've had.
Okay, Chairperson.
So, delegates, 3 more minutes, you can debate.
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to ask China, how would a country develop when most of the GDP, about 25% in all of the 8 countries that have taken loan, are going into just the payment of the loan, and thus their infrastructure which you build is not even being used by them.
we are building it. It is not like we build.
So the delegate of China is saying they did not even build it, they just leased it so that they couldn't use
It is not leasing. We are building it. It is on the construction. BRI is not completed it yet.
The delegate, did the delegate of China just not say they did not build it?
I am saying it is under the
Did no, the delegate of United Kingdom would like,
it is not like we have
please
like BRI
refer
is
to your
like
own
past
words.
project 1 trillion
The
dollar
delegate
project.
of United,
Yeah.
may I speak? May the
Yes,
delegate of
yes,
United
you may.
Kingdom speak? The delegate,
Yeah.
did the delegate of China did he not say that they did not build? A simple yes or no would suffice to the point.
We didn't build, but we are building. You don't please play with tenses. We are the project is under construction. We haven't
Delegates,
made
we are
it
not
yet.
philologists sitting over here, please. Mind that.
Delegate of United States of America would like to ask delegate of China that is your country so selfish that it started preparing for coronavirus and did not ponder?
It is not selfish. It is like
you
first
did not
measure.
ponder to
Not like
inform
you are.
WHO about the pandemic and then you started blaming America.
The delegate
It
of
is not
United
selfish.
Kingdom,
It is like
the delegate of United Kingdom would like to ask the
following
delegate
up.
of
When
China
we see the
by asking what did he
is
mean by
coming,
selfish,
we'll
like
develop
not
our
you
like
on.
resources, not like
What
yours.
is the
Like
delegate
they
of
delayed
China
till March,
going to
March
talk,
and
tell
did
about
nothing.
Dr. Lee?
The delegate of United Kingdom would like the delegate of China to refer to his statement when he said not like you all.
Overruled, delegate of United Kingdom. We have to wind up. Delegate of China,
And you
please answer to the delegate of Vietnam.
What is yes?
The
Delegate of
delegate
Vietnam.
had asked about the Dr. Lee's issue
I'll go through it and
about
answer it after.
Right. He'll let you know about it later on. Delegates, hereby the informal session of debate comes to an end. And now, tomorrow, when you come and enter the committee, ensure that you have your country's name first and then your own name, the image of your country's flag. Secondly, prepare 2 GSLs, find out the moderated caucus topics, which we have given to you. You just need to go over them. And lastly, Do you guys have any queries now as to how the committee is to be run, since it is a novice committee we have? Delegates?
No, chairperson.
No, chairperson.
All right. So
Person.
the IP members, International Press Corps, want to interview some of the delegates tomorrow from our committee. Are you hearing me out, delegates?
Yes,
Yes,
Chairperson.
ma'am.
Yes, chairperson.
So all of you have to be prepared for it. Be very selective with your words, because once it goes into media, it will be printed in the newsletter and it will come out as the statement of your country, right? Then the fellow delegates who are accusing you of, not staying on your own words, they will accuse you with a proper proof. That is the newsletter, which will be soon published on the website. Right, delegates?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Chairperson.
Members, if it is possible, can we please know which delegates will be interviewed tomorrow?
Me,
Actually,
delegate of India.
questioning
The
random.
delegate of India,
We would be just sending the questions via
right?
chat, and they are supposed to answer via chat only. We will not be
Yes, by chat.
video interviewing.
All right, thank you so much. Delegates, I hope you're clear with it.
Yeah.
Yes, chairperson.
Somebody please raise a motion to adjourn the meeting.
Chairperson, if we
Yes.